The key fob not detected error on Chrysler 200s from 2015 to 2017 prevents push-button starts. This issue commonly stems from a weak key fob battery or a faulty RF hub. This problem typically comes from two main sources: a low battery in the key fob or a malfunctioning RF hub. First, ensure your key fob battery is above 2.5 volts. Replace the CR2032 battery if it's weak. If the error persists, place the key fob directly next to the start button within 6 to 12 inches and attempt to start the car. This bypasses the usual RF signal requirement. If the override works, the problem likely lies within the RF hub or its communication. A simple reset can sometimes resolve software glitches. Disconnect the vehicle's battery for 10 minutes, then reconnect. This forces the RF hub to reset. Afterward, try starting the car normally. If the issue continues, the RF hub may be damaged or require reprogramming via an OBD2 scanner and Stellantis software, YTech. Consider consulting a mechanic for diagnostics, especially if water damage or corrosion is suspected. RF hub replacement can cost $200 to $500, but is often the long-term solution.